Is your Toyota Corolla key fob not working as reliably as it used to? A dead or dying battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple, cost-effective DIY task, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process for 2023-2025 Toyota Corolla models, ensuring your remote functions like lock-unlock, remote start, and panic alarm are back in working order. Let's get started. This video applies specifically to Toyota Corolla models from 2023 to 2025. The key fob, often called a smart key or remote, uses a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery is readily available at most drugstores, auto parts stores like AutoZone, and online retailers like Amazon for around $5 to $10 per pack. Using the correct CR2032 battery is crucial to avoid damaging your key fob. You'll only need a couple of basic tools for this replacement: a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated key fob opening tool made of plastic, which are available for under $5. Avoid using large or sharp metal tools, as these can scratch or damage the key fob casing. A plastic tool helps prevent static discharge, which can also harm the fob's internal electronics. A clean, well-lit workspace is also recommended. Carefully inspect your key fob to locate the seam where the two halves join. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or opening tool into the seam. Apply slight pressure to pry the fob open. The fob is designed with a snap-fit closure, so you should feel it separate with a bit of pressure. Be patient and avoid forcing it open, as this could damage the plastic casing. Once you've created a small opening, you can usually work your way around the rest of the seam to fully separate the two halves. With the key fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery before removing it. Typically, the positive plus side faces up towards the circuit board. You can use your fingernail or the tip of the screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing the same direction as the old battery. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from working. Now, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and snap them back together. Ensure the seam is completely closed with no gaps. Once reassembled, ensure the seam is completely closed and there are no gaps. Once reassembled, test the key fob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your car from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. Also, test the remote start and panic alarm features to ensure everything is working correctly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new. In most cases, replacing the battery will restore your key fob's functionality. However, if it still doesn't work, you may need to reprogram the fob. This usually involves a simple ignition cycle. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, press the lock button twice, and then remove the key. Consult your Toyota Corolla owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions for your model year. Note, reprogramming is rarely required for basic battery changes. Always double-check the battery orientation before closing the key fob. Incorrect orientation can cause short circuits and damage the fob. Properly dispose of the old lithium battery at a recycling center or designated battery collection point. Do not throw it in the regular trash, as lithium batteries contribute to environmental waste and improper disposal can harm ecosystems. Consider that Toyota is experimenting with battery-free designs, such as capacitive touch and energy harvesting, in newer models. App-based key sharing is also becoming common, reducing reliance on physical batteries. However, for your 2023-2025 Corolla, DIY battery replacement is the easiest and most economical solution. Enjoy the convenience of a fully functional key fob.